How to fix Discord, black screen, or screen share. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Discord, black stream, or screen share. So let's begin right away. The very first step that I would suggest is that you open Discord as administrator. So make sure to close Discord first. So you may press Alt F4 on your keyboard and then search for Discord and then right click on Discord and click on Run as administrator. So once you click on it, make sure to click on Yes and then wait for it to load. And then try out um, entering a server and screen share. And if it still doesn't work, what I would suggest is go to settings right here, user settings, and then under app settings, go to voice and video. And scroll to the bottom of the page and look for the use our latest technology to capture and use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. So make sure to turn it off and then um, click on escape or the X button right here and try screen sharing as well. Again, if it still doesn't work, go ahead to user settings once again, go to voice and video, scroll down a little bit and look for the video codec. So make sure to turn off H.264 hardware acceleration and try screen sharing. And again, if it still doesn't work, you may also turn this off, the Open H.264 video codec right here. And then, again, if it still doesn't work, you may try screen sharing by clicking on the screen right here and make sure to click screens right here instead of applications. However, if you click this screens and then you share your screen, basically the audio may not be captured. So that is the only downside. However, you may be able to share your entire screen without the black stream or the black screen. And then now, once you click your screen, make sure to go live and then that's it. And then the last two options that I can give is that you may search for run and then type in the percentage, app, data, and then percentage. So click on OK and then look for Discord. So Discord is right here and then make sure to press on one of the files and press Control A to select all and delete it. So click and delete it and click and try again, or you may also skip some files and then that's it. For the last option that I can give if all of these steps still doesn't work is that you try to uninstall Discord and reinstall it afterwards once again. So to uninstall Discord, you just simply type in Control Panel and then go to Programs right here and click on Uninstall a Program. Once you're here, simply look for Discord, double click on it, or you may also right click and then delete it. So let's just look for Discord first. So it seems like I cannot see Discord right here. Right click and click on uninstall. So that's it. That's how you can fix Discord black stream or screen share. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.